Most people think you need to be a programmer to build an AI product. But the truth is, thousands of entrepreneurs are launching profitable AI SaaS tools and digital products without writing a single line of code. Some are making $10,000, $50,000, even $100,000 per month. And many of these tools are built in just a few weeks. In today's video, I'll show you what AI SaaS actually is, how anyone can start an AI product business, the exact step-by-step process, and real examples of AI products making money right now. If you want to build a scalable online business using AI, this video may change how you think about entrepreneurship. What is AI SaaS? First, let's understand something important. AI SaaS means artificial intelligence software as a service. Instead of selling your time, you sell software subscriptions. For example, imagine a tool that writes marketing emails using AI. A business owner pays $20 per month to use it. If 1,000 customers subscribe, that's $20,000 every month. No inventory, no shipping, no physical product, just software running online. This is why AI SaaS is one of the most scalable businesses in the world. Why AI SaaS is exploding. There are three major reasons AI SaaS is exploding right now. First, AI models are available through APIs, platforms like OpenAI, Anthropic. Google DeepMind allow developers and entrepreneurs to build products on top of powerful AI models. Second, no-code tools have matured. You can build apps using platforms like Bubble, Glide Apps, Zapier. Third, businesses want AI solutions. Companies are actively looking for tools that save time, reduce cost, automate repetitive work. This demand is creating a massive opportunity for AI entrepreneurs. Step by step, how to start AI SaaS app. Step 1, find a problem. The best AI products solve specific problems. Examples: writing LinkedIn posts, creating SEO blogs, generating product descriptions, automating customer support. Instead of building a general AI tool, focus on one niche problem. For example, instead of AI writing tool, build AI tool for real estate listing descriptions. Step 2, validate the idea. Before building anything, check if people actually want it. You can validate ideas by searching Reddit, looking at freelance requests, reading startup forums, checking marketplaces. If people are already paying for solutions, you have a strong idea. Step 3, build an MVP, minimum viable product. Your first version does not need to be perfect. You can build an AI tool using Bubble, Replit, Stripe. Your product may only have one feature, simple interface, basic AI integration, but that's enough to launch. Step 4, launch quickly. Many entrepreneurs spend months building products. Smart founders launch in 2 to 4 weeks. Early users will tell you what works, what doesn't, what features to add. This feedback is extremely valuable. Real AI SaaS case studies. Now let's look at real examples. Case study 1, AI writing tools. One of the fastest growing AI businesses is Jasper. AI, this tool helps companies create blog posts, ads, marketing copy. It reportedly reached tens of millions in revenue in just a few years. The idea is simple. Use AI to help businesses create content faster. Case study 2, AI presentation generator. Another example is Tom. This tool creates slides, storytelling presentations, visual decks, all generated with AI. Many consultants and startups now use tools like this instead of spending hours designing slides. Case study 3, AI meeting assistant. A powerful example is Fireflies.ai. It automatically records meetings, creates summaries, extracts action items. Companies pay monthly to save time in meetings. This simple idea became a high-growth startup. AI digital products. Not every AI business needs software. You can also create AI digital products. Examples include AI prompt libraries, AI templates, automation workflows, AI Notion systems, AI marketing packs. For example, you could sell 100 ChatGPT prompts for marketers, AI automation templates for businesses. These can be sold on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy. Many creators make $5,000 to $20,000 per month selling digital AI resources. How to get your first customers? You don't need a big marketing budget. You can get users through 1. YouTube tutorials, 2. LinkedIn content, 3. Twitter/X threads, 4. Product launch platforms like Product Hunt. The key is to teach people how your tool solves a problem. Educational content drives massive growth. AI is creating one of the biggest opportunities in business history. But the winners won't just use AI tools. They will build AI products. If you start today, even a small AI tool could become a global software business. So here's my question for you. What AI product would you build in 2026? Comment below. And if you want more videos on AI businesses, future tech automation strategies, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. The AI economy is just getting started.